That lady was funny. She wanted stuff, but I guess she didn't want bad enough.
Yeah, she kept being like, oh, how about this too? And adding more, but keeping her price at $10. Wow, you have a lot of letters.
Yes, I do.
Wow.
Trying to group them as people might want them, like.
I can spell whatever I want.
Exactly. There's a few ways of reading this. I don't have a lot of vowels, unfortunately. That's mine. So the way it's organized is that's a men's row.
This one is?
Yeah, for the most part. Men's and children. That's women in the
Same
middle.
thing, right? Men and children?
Yep, and then they are the same. And then accessories on the ends. Accessories.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this 1020?
Yeah.
Is that, okay.
This house is so stupid.
Yeah, it's weird because it said Whitney,
Yep.
but Whitney's down there.
Yep.
And then this, very confusing.
Well, the pizza man never gets it right.
No, I bet.
That's all that play school, SKOOL stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Really nice toys. If you go look that up, you'll see that it has a real market value.
Really?
If
Okay.
you have the patience to do it right.
Yeah, yeah.
But I don't have the patience to do it right.
50 steak unit of quarters. That's cool.
My son was like, steak, the quarters or
It's an interesting shoe.
one of my sons was sponsored by Nike for a while, so he had that.
Really? For a sport? Oh, skateboarding? So they sent him some cool shoes?
They gave him a twin shoes. When they were nice, he was not allowed to sell. He could only sell them after they were like that.
Yeah, after he had worn them for a little bit.
They were pretty. Chilly out there.
Yeah. Blow a plane.
Yeah, this has been a massive effort to prepare for.
Yeah, I bet.
I tried to make it organized.
I think it looks pretty good.
Price everything, so everything is negotiable.
Okay. Let's get it out of here. It's a crazy shirt.
What size clothes are those?
The boys, or how old are your kids?
5 and 2.
Okay, not that size. That's men's. So this is all men's. This is all women's and accessories.
Do you have any small? Extra medium.
For men or women?
Women.
No, that's my mom. So you've got some double XL out here, and then I'm like an 8'10". I wish I were your size.
And I had to pick and I didn't think I would
Camping gear. Vintage camping gear. I used to own an antique shop, so inside there's a lot of antiques.
oh, my husband would love to do kids and antique life.
It's in the back. So I call it antique alley. So feel free to come back.
How much are your shirts?
50 cents to a dollar. I mean, I can give you a bag for $10 and you fill it up. You want to do that. Or I've got $10. How much? I have way too much stuff.
Supreme.
Yeah, the skateboarding shirts are really nice.
Smart
want
with
a
the
pair of
gloves. No,
I
it's
mean,
fine.
because there's some behind you in the boxes. Just put them on.
I'm selling some.
I don't mind if you take a pair of gloves.
This is what an awesome Niner
He
looks
said
like.
that they were women and they are what size?
You're not wrong.
And I skipped school and I'm a scientist today.
Oh, me too. Where do you work?
I work at MetLife. Yeah, so it's like
I work at City
are you data scientist?
Not the medical writing.
Okay. I'm a healthcare scientist, so I do work with people like you.
I work at the McDonald's.
Well, you know what?
A job is a job.
That's right.
I don't really work at McDonald's. That was being fun.
You know, I started there, so.
Yeah,
Okay, so.
this is a cool hat.
All right. Is this your stack?
Yeah.
Outlaw apparel. Quarter snacks. That's cool. LA
I'm
snapback.
not sure about that right. Is the right size or not? Probably have to be a waste for me to buy it.
It's a sticky. It's any size. It's just like if you wear a strapless dress,
Okay.
and then it's reusable
I
sticky.
have no boobs,
Carhartt.
ladies, so I can't stick anything there.
Then I wouldn't get it because it's gonna stick to your nipples like awful. I'm just telling you the truth.
Thank you.
It's not gonna feel good.
Thank you.
How about 15 for all of them?
Yeah.
12.
I only got like a $10 bill. I didn't get to go what I was selling.
Do you want to come back then? The only thing
Oh,
that
I need to go to work.
all right, here, you can do 10 without this.
What if you did this back and I get
Okay. Oh. There's an apple core in there. It pulls the core out of the middle of the apple. Oh my God. You've seen me prepping. No, everybody thinks I'm moving. It's just been forever. And then everybody started bringing their stuff. Yeah. I'm like, stop. People, stop. Free for all for me. But I guess
Heel glades.
I don't know how my kids have any clothes left. Because they don't, I mean, they pulled everything out of their closets for some reason. They went a little happy on the yard sale thing. So Marie, I've got Antique Alley back there, which is all the stuff from my vintage shop.
How much is these two sell?
$2 each.
The garage is a little warmer.
Yeah. Well,
This is,
normally it's colder.
More stuff.
Oh yeah, those are shirts. I shouldn't have put the pants. Is that a shirt? Yeah, that's a shirt.
This is like a cool sweater.
Oh, I just put a bunch of sweaters in there.
Hmm.
What is this? This might be a skateboard.
Something
shirt.
tie-dye.
Yeah, it's a skate.
Dickies. It's all double stitch. I do like that hoodie. It's cool. What is this? Independent Truck Company.
like, "Oh, your underwear's open." And I'm like, "What? What are you talking about?" It's so funny. Because I had Anthony do this film the last 2 days. Yeah. Everyone else pointed that. It's all men's clothes up in this way. Men's, women's. Now that's one off the boys. That lady was funny. She wanted stuff, but I guess she didn't want bad enough.
Yeah, she kept being like, "Oh, how about this too?" And adding more, but keeping her price at $10.
I hate to be mean, but you can't keep adding stuff and wanting it cheaper.
Yeah.
I mean, you can, but
You can.
what
Just-
we're doing, like a deal.
Yeah, that's cool.
This is not bad. Maria probably have 70 other necklaces to bring out here. Oh, wow. I told them last night it took an hour to put them on those little white things.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just have to go in there and get them. Well, I mean, that's the hard part, is trying to figure out how to play all those masks. Yeah. And tagging it, I didn't have time to tag it. It's like, just getting it out here is a challenge. I know.
You've got.
You're helping me over there.
I know, there's some interesting stuff in here.
Yep, I ain't gotten to that. I was like, good, bring it out. Put you to work at this sale.
Yeah. Ooh.
All right. Have you got your pine ready? I'm still going in.
I think I'm ready.
Okay, let me go make you a deal.
Cool.
Put this stuff in. Feel free to go through this. I'm still pulling out the home decor section I hadn't pulled out yet. Where's your pile?
Right there.
All right.
What are the prices?
Mostly clothes.
The clothes, you make a stack and we make a deal. I can give you a bag and you fill it up. I've got $10 bags, 20, and all the way up.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Sure. You're getting, okay, you're gonna get in trouble.
Why?
Are you buying this for your wife?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. I have to look that one up because it's a device that's got
Okay.
like that. I have to look
That's
up
fine.
the price. Some of this stuff is weird. I have to look up the price,
Okay.
which is crazy to put it out here. But like these 3 things.
Yeah.
So far, I do. And the electronic things under there too. Okay. That is so dumb. What is that?
I don't know. Just thought it was nifty. Some
All
sort
right.
of big coin.
30 for all that.
30.
Yeah. This stuff, I'll do 25 for all that. I know it sounds stupid, but that stuff's crazy expensive.
Okay.
So, or 50 for all of it.
Okay. Yeah, I was thinking 40, but I'll do 50.
Okay. That thing
fine.
right there you can sell for $50. If you got the
40,
willingness to do it.
50. There you
Thank
go.
you, dear.
Okay,
You
thank
want
you.
a box or a bag? I got boxes.
Box would probably be the best, yeah. Thank you.
Sure.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Thank you so much for coming with me to that yard sale. I'm Dave, the NC Picker, if you didn't know that. Make sure you guys subscribe if you enjoyed that and hit the like button. Let's talk a little bit about what I found. Now, she was not correct on the makeup type stuff, and I knew that. I had actually just sold one of these a few days prior to buying hers, and I sold it for $10. So I knew this was about a $10 item. And then these, I don't normally buy like makeup stuff, but it was the only sale of the day, so I kind of bought more than I probably should have. And I looked these up. Pretty much, this one's worth like $10. This one's worth like $10. This one's worth like $5. And this one's worth like $8. So the makeup almost pays for everything. The real thing I was excited about were these Nikes. I thought these Nikes were super cool. I'd never seen anything like them. They say Isle on the back. She said they were a skateboarding shoe that her son got sponsored and given as a skateboarder, like a semi-pro skateboarder. So I grabbed these, and I have since then comped them, and there's only, the lowest price pre-owned on eBay is $140 if someone wanted to buy those. There's 2 sold comps I see. One sold at best offer with $120 as its starting price. So who knows, maybe $100. And then a size 13 that sold for $70. These are 9.5, which are a little small, but I'm hoping that I can get close to $100 just for that one pair of shoes. Beyond that, it's just like a bunch of skater clothes. I did let my nephew, who's a skater, a skateboarder, he's 16, come and he kind of picked through a bunch of it and took some of it. But what he didn't take, I will try to list either on my Whatnot auctions or on eBay. Got a little handheld Yahtzee that'll sell for $10. I comped those Wemo light switches. They're only worth like $15, but I figured if I got them in a bundle, they'd be a decent buy and I could sell them pretty easy. Although there is a temptation to keep them because they're kind of neat. I did sell 2 of the hats I got there. That blue Los Angeles hat I got, I did sell for $8 on a Whatnot auction. I think I got another hat there too that I sold for like $7 on a Whatnot auction. Yeah, the Adidas one. Actually, I might have went for $9. So just those 2 hats brought like $15 back already. Nice quick sale. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to make some money. I had a good time. I think, you know, it was a very leisurely sale. I wasn't in a rush because it was the only sale of the morning, and I got there at like 6:30. So I was just hanging out with her and looking through her stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.